So here's what we're going to do. Felicia's going to say a couple words, and then we're going to paddle out. And then once we get out there and form our circle, we'll do 8 minutes and 46 seconds of silence. And then we'll do what we always do. We'll throw our flowers into the middle. And then we will splash our friends up to the heavens and send those vibes up to the heavens. Thanks everybody for showing up, for our friends, for our neighbors, for people of color that we know, that we love and support what everybody is going through in this country right now. So right now, here's our friend Felicia Simmons. Everybody get up for Felicia.
So he told me your custom, right, a surfer, that's the circle, so it goes with the prayer that goes along with my culture, right, my indigenous side of my culture. And it goes, oh great spirit of earth, wind, and sea, you're inside, you're outside, you're all around me. And that's just to say that we acknowledge every part of what makes this planet a planet. And what makes us one culture and one family. We have to understand that when one steps, we all step, right? Injustice for anybody is injustice for you. And it's injustice for me. Because eventually it comes back home. So I just want to say thank you for stepping with me. Continue to step out there for yourselves. Because one step is for yourself, right? And thank you for mourning the loss of our brother, our family, our human. So again, I'm going to say it as you go out there. Again, oh great spirit of earth, wind, and sea. You're inside, you're outside, you're all around. So thank you.